banana.
You ready for your banana? Are you ready for your banana? Banana, little?
A little bit of mommy's milk in there.
Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Mmm. Oh. That's actually kind of tasty, huh? It's pretty tasty, huh? Yeah, I can get used to that. I'll get used to that for sure. Banana? Banana?
You ready? Want some more?
Yeah.
Oh, you should. Sticking your tongue out to show me you're ready for more? There we go. Okay, you can help me. There you go. Oh,
Yeah.
Thank you.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you.
Good job.
For the help.
Good job. Oh, good job. All by yourself. What a big girl. What a big girl.
Can you help me again?
Mom, I can do it myself. I'm 6 months today, remember? Jeez.
Help me. Thank you.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you for the help.
Yes. Wow. What a team effort.
It's not a banana.
Oh. You got a banana chin. Ooh. Oh. You almost let something go.